In this episode of Field Guide to DIY, I'm going to show you how I made this convenient hanging pull-out shelf and sweater drying rack. Let's dive in. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rip some stock to the height of the Vidania drawer slide. That's going to be our shelf support, and mount this to the side of the existing cabinet. Now when I mount the drawer side blocks, I'm going to measure up 4 inches, but I'm going to add 3/4 to allow for the bottom shelf. For this top, I want it at 10 inches. That's going to be 10 3/4 to allow for the height of the shelf. Then make sure you didn't drill through your cabinet. We're good. Once again, I'm using the full extension 16-inch drawer slide from Vidania. I'm really impressed with this product. The next step is to completely remove the extended part. There's a little catch on the back. Now we're going to mount this part on the drawer slide block. Are you a woodworker? I really recommend you get one of these spring-loaded hole punches. Now here's a neat trick to get the drawer opening that I got from Anna White. If you're not subscribed to Anna White, you got to check out our channel. So you take out the drawer slides, we're actually going to attach the pull-out frame to the drawer slide, and then we'll get our measurement across the front. Now to find the length of this board, we just measure the difference. I'm using Varathane Ultimate Polyurethane water-based. It is a matte finish and you can see it. Bonus tip, whenever you're working on or near a washer or dryer, put down an old welcome mat or towel to protect the finish of your washer or dryer. Now that we have our shelves finished, it's time to install. Now it's time to attach the pull-out faces. I've seen several videos online telling you to drive a brad or a nail through the face frame and then attach it. I think I've got a better way. I'm going to find center, and once that's there, I'm going to take that down and I'm going to make sure that the pull-out is centered in the opening. I'm going to load my brad nailer with 1-inch brads and shoot it through the pull-out and just a little bit into the face frame. This way, if it's not perfect, I still have room to adjust. And do the same with this pull-out. Now we try it. Oh, that spacing's nice. That'll work. For more woodworking tips like this, click the image on your screen now.